Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the game Arc Raiders. You got an error. One or more files in your installation are corrupted or missing. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, open up your Steam, go to Library, right click on your game and go to its properties. Now under the General tab, you will find the option of launch options. Type in as it is written over here, DX11, or you can try DX12. You need to try both the methods in the launch options to play the game. After changing the launch options, another thing that you need to do is to enter into a BIOS menu. And in BIOS menu, you will find the option of XMP profile, or in case of AMD CPU, you will find the option of expo. So by entering into the BIOS menu under the advanced settings or under the extreme tweaker, you need to disable your XMP profile or else expo. From a drop down list, you need to choose the option as auto. After doing these two changes, relaunch your game and hopefully the issue will be fixed. If this failed to work out, in second method, click on start menu, type PowerShell and you need to choose the option run as administrator. Now in PowerShell, you need to type in this particular command which I will share you in the description of this video. Copy it from the description, paste right in the PowerShell and then hit the enter key. Now right over here, you will find more than one anti-cheat which is conflicting with one another, and that's why you are getting this particular one or more files in your installation are corrupted. So to fix out this issue, you need to keep the first one as it is and then you need to delete the second one which is easy_anti-cheat_eos. And to delete, here is the command. Just copy this command from the description of this video and paste right over here and then hit the enter key. As soon as you hit the enter key, this second service of the Epic Online Services will be deleted, and once it is deleted, verify integrity of the game files by again going to Steam, right click properties, installed files and click on the option verify integrity of the game files. After doing so, relaunch your game and the issue will be completely fixed. One more thing friends, for many users, if this particular command doesn't work, then you need to type in sc delete and then next to it you need to type in the name of the service. Again the service is easy_anti-cheat_eos. Copy and paste right over here and then hit the enter key and this will completely delete this particular service. After doing so, relaunch your game and the issue will be completely fixed. And if none of these methods help you fix out the issue, I highly recommend to check the status of your RAM sticks, because sometimes your RAMs are not working properly and you keep on getting this particular error. And to do so, you need to take help of a third-party tool with the name memtest86. Simply download it, install it into your pen drive and restart your PC so that memtest will test the RAM of your system, and if there is any kind of error, it is very clear that you need to replace your RAM sticks to play the game. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.